Hello friends, welcome back to channel. In this video I'll be doing the analysis for SP500, which is SPXUSD. So as you can see, this is the daily chart and the price is moving up as of now. So let me draw some support and the rejection levels. This is the main rejection I can see as of now, and it took a support from this point right there. And if you draw the retracement of this, like this, so the price has now cleared the 78% of the retracement, and I feel like price is trying and retest this resistance zone and want to clear out this high as well. So in the coming days or coming months, let's see, I believe in this kind of setup that price might touch this point again, or else the second scenario would be price might come down to retest this level. Let's see how it goes. Let me see the 4-hour chart. What's going on in 4-hour? Okay, impulsive move. This is retracement, again impulsive retracement. It's now, I can see a little pattern like this here of higher highs and lower lows. Price is making higher highs and lower lows, high low, high low, high low, high low. So it has a great chance of uptrend. So I'm bullish on this pair. Let's see how it goes. Thank you.